We're staying in the lovely 2400. Nice even number. We got our keys to 2400. Let's get in there and see what we got. 2 keys. Let's stick one in some way. Woohoo! Here we go.
Continuing on, here's the information. Muster station F. Do your muster when you get on the ship. A lot of people, 30 minutes before we leave, muster. Take care of your muster first. Coming in on the right. Typical Carnival bathroom. But you got 2 shelves here. You got 2 shelves here. Trash. All the fun things. Got the shower curtain. That's not fun, but it'll work. Right on the left, one closet. Looks like a wide safe, so you could probably put a computer in there. Hanging clothes. There's a tall closet. This room is capable to have the extra person. So that's what that is. And then you got this closet. So there's plenty of storage there. Hair dryer, refrigerator, desk area, got 2 little shelves there, TV, we got the king bed. It looks like the only USB plugs are right there, which is very nice, having them right beside you. Both sides of the bed have one of those. And then you have 2 120s. You got a 220 international. And then 2 more USBs. And then also more storage. So that is inside 2400 on the Carnival Sunrise. We'll show you how it looks once we unpack. Let's visit Amanda. Let's see how the room is.
Welcome to my home, away from home. Would you like to come in? Oh wait, you live here. Come on. So, first off, in case of an emergency, and you should take it seriously, there's where you go for muster. You always find that, do that. Okay, this is kind of skinny. Woo. But there's this nice closet here. Has some nice shelves. This is where I put my stuff. We got extra backpack. We have life vest, so you can go to emergency station if you need to. I think the captain knows what he's doing though, so I don't think that's necessary. Closet number 2. What's behind this door? Ooh. You have some hanging clothes, place to put shoes, and a hamper. I think there's a shelf or rods that go up there, but there's only one back there in the back. There were ladders in here, and we shoved them under the bed because I didn't want to listen to them clank together, because I think there's 2 ceiling beds. Then door number 3. Ooh, more shelves, a safe to keep everything safe, and small hangy clothes for shorter people. This is an extra door. It's a bonus door. It's not very fantastic in there, but it does the job. Let's look. So, when we moved in here, we each get 2 shelves for our toiletries. This is my side. And that side is Roy's side. But we have a problem. Hi! The sink is leaky. When you turn it on, it leaks out. So anything we put here is gonna get wet. And then we haven't done anything with the shower yet, but it's the shower. And then the pooper.
Here's a tip. We forgot this. We always have them. Bring chair clips to put at the bottom of the curtain, and it won't like touch
it. Weighs it down.
Yeah, it won't touch your bung while you're taking the shower. We forgot them, so we got to deal with it.
Oh, it does look like this room has a key card slot, so you need to have a card, but our room guy left us a nice one. And then over here you have a fridge cooler thing down here. We probably won't use it. There's a drawer here with the hair dryer. We put our papers over here just to keep them and reference them if we need to. And I kind of rearranged our shelves. We have GoPro equipment, water bottle, magnetic hooks, which I don't know if these walls are really magnetic because our magnets didn't stick to the door. That's kind of weird. Carnival Sunrise. They demagnetized. And work things. The best thing ever. Fan. Bring 1 or 2. And down here, we put all our excursion stuff. So this is things we'll use when we're off port. Snorkel gear, sunscreen, beach towels, backpacks. Safekeeping place for that. And then on the wall over here, we have some stuff hanging. Thank you for joining me and looking at my room after we moved in. We'll be here for 4 days, and I think it's going to be quite cozy.